Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 60. This is a SolidWorks 2020 tutorial is designed for beginners. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I will teach you part modeling, and later on we will learn SolidWorks surfacing, assembly, and drawing. Hope you will stay connected with us for getting all those interesting tutorials. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like rectangle command, smart dimension, circle command, slot command, trim command, and extrude boss command. We will use only 2 sketch and 2 extrude command for completing the SolidWorks tutorial. First, we gonna sketch on the top plane, and then extrude. Then we will sketch the front view, and extrude for completing today's SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 100 millimeters. Width is 150 millimeters.
Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal. Make them horizontal. Make it vertical. Make them horizontal. Make it vertical.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 20 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters. Distance is 110 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Depth is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Take Straight Slot command. Repeat as earlier. Distance is 75 millimeters. Radius is 15 millimeters. Radius is 25 millimeters. Height is 34.6 millimeters. Height is 45.4 millimeters.
Now take the line command. Now take circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make them tangent. Make coincident.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 20 millimeters. Angular distance is 60 degree.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command.
Take center line command and draw lines like this. Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now take the Line command. The sketch is fully defined. Now take Trim Entities command.
Still, we need to define the sketch. Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Repeat as earlier.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Width is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy this SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.